Just checking in is killing your close rate. Here's the follow-up message I see from 90% of contractors. Hey, just following up on that estimate. Let me know if you have any questions. That message does nothing. It gives the customer no reason to respond, no urgency to act, and no value to consider. It sounds like an obligation, not a conversation. Here's what I replace it with. Hi. Circling back on the system quote from Tuesday. I held your install slot for this week since our crew is already in your neighborhood. If you went with someone else, no hard feelings. Just let me know so I can open it up. Happy to walk through the warranty options if that's what you're weighing. That one message does 4 things. Creates urgency, shows you're organized, removes pressure, and opens a real conversation. 1 rewrite. 1 template. Applied to every estimate over $3,000. That's not marketing. That's talking to people like a professional who actually wants their business. If your follow-up still sounds like just checking in, you're handing jobs to the competitor who figured out how to close. I rewrite follow-up templates for every contractor I work with as part of the audit. If you want to see what yours could look like, DM me rewrite. And with that, more to come.